Welcome back. In many programming languages, a constant is a variable whose value cannot be changed after assignment. However, Python does not have true, built-in constants. Instead, it relies on strict naming conventions and developer discipline to define values that should remain fixed. 1. The Python convention. To signify that a variable should be treated as a constant, Python programmers use a naming convention known as screaming snake case. This means using all capital letters with underscores separating words. When another programmer sees a variable named like this, they understand that its value should not be modified during the program's execution. 2. Constants versus variables. It is important to remember that this is only a convention. Python will not prevent you from reassigning a constant's value. This means the enforcement is purely voluntary and relies on developer discipline. Always respect the screaming snake case convention to maintain code clarity and integrity. 3. A good practice. For large projects, it is a good practice to define all constants in a single, dedicated file, often named constants.py. This centralized location makes them easy to manage and import across your entire codebase. To summarize, use Screaming Snake Case for constants to communicate intent to other developers. Although Python permits changes, maintaining the value ensures the integrity of your fixed settings. We have defined constants using convention. In our next lecture, 05.04, del keyword, we will learn how to permanently delete references to objects and objects themselves from Python's memory. See you there.